Hi everyone, it's David from EFL Classroom, and I'm going to show you a really cool tool where students can speak and see their spoken speech as text. Kind of like the Synth functionality and platform I wrote about previously on my blog, and I'll mention that again. So let me show you what this really is, and then at the end suggest a few ways you could use it. And you'll probably think of your own too. So you'll need a Gmail account, and you use Google Slides. So it's just as simple as clicking this little thing on your Gmail account, opening your drive, and when you're after you open your drive, select New, and you want to select Presentation, which is Google Slides. There we go. Now I've already opened up a presentation, so I'm going to go right there. Here we are. And I've already imported slides. So in many cases you might want to have a PowerPoint and just import it, or the students can import it and go from there. So I've imported this. I'm using pictures, but you could use just plain text and have them read the text, for example. So the idea here is for the student to retell the story in their own words. What you'll have to do to get the recording features, click Tools and Voice Type Speaker Notes. And you'll see this little microphone clicks up there. At first it will ask you if you're using Chrome to share the microphone. I've already done that. And for each slide, the student just clicks the microphone and records. So here I go. Mr. X's amazing yesterday. And you can see down at the bottom here, in the notes, it's typed exactly what I've spoken. Isn't that amazing? It's really great for phonemic awareness, especially students beginning to learn to read in English. So as they speak, they're looking at their own language, spoken language, which they already know, and then bingo, they can see it, verify it in print as letters and as text on a page. So let's just go to the next slide. Click. Mr. X was sleeping yesterday. He got up at 6 o'clock. Okay, and then the student just continues to the next slide. He got up and yawned. That might not translate. And you'll see there'll be a few errors, and you might want students to go back and check the spelling and try to correct technology and correct Google. They can be the teacher too. They can finish all the slides and then just send this to you. Now isn't that a cool feature? So I could see you using just pictures in a PowerPoint, upload them, or maybe just text and they speak that same text and try to read it and help improve their reading speed or reading rhythm, or just their general ability to read and phonemic awareness. So take a look at this in Google Drive, and I wish you luck with it. This is David, over and out.